I'm in a rolly chair. Yes, I am. Turn that off. Turn it off. Turn it off. Ugh. Excuse me 1 second while I go turn this crap off. No. I'm on a boat. I'm on a boat. This boat is real. I'm on a boat. I turned it off. No, we're turning. No. No, we're not. We're not. Ouch! Have your wrist cracked. Ouch! No! They can hurt me! Hey! Get me! Hey! Colin! I don't know. Should I help her? Let's take a vote. All the people who like this video says that I shouldn't help her, okay? And if you don't like this video, don't hit like.
How's your homework?
Philip? Alright. Finally have the music video off. Yay! See y'all later.
What's the broom doing?